To be take 22. Action. Okay, team. Me. I'm the quarterback, the camera guy, and the cheerleader. Woo! Turns out, teamwork's kinda hard when there's only one of you. Guess what? It works better with a team! You know, teamwork isn't just about sports. It's about helping each other win. In class, at home, or anywhere you've got a challenge. When we team up, tough stuff feels easier. And when we cheer each other on, the whole group gets stronger. Today we're talking about how teamwork makes challenges smaller, friendships stronger, and fun times even better. This one's from my friend Oliver. Dear Chill Charlie, at soccer practice, I wanted to be the one to score. But then our coach said to pass more. When I did, our team started winning. And it felt awesome. Yes, Oliver, that's teamwork. Trusting your teammates and realizing that winning together feels even better than going solo. Look, sometimes teamwork means trusting the plan, even when it's not your moment to shine. Like in football, the quarterback fakes a pass, the running back sprints the other way, and bam, touchdown! It only works because everyone plays their part. That's teamwork. Not just about who scores, but how you work together to make the play happen. See, each role matters, even the parts no one notices. That's how teams win together. Teamwork isn't just for sports. At home after dinner, one person clears the table, one wipes it down, and one loads the dishwasher. Boom! Cleanup done in record time. Haha! In class, one draws, one writes, one presents. A+ teamwork. Life's kinda like a giant group project. You can try to do it all yourself, but is it more fun when you share the load? When you help your teammates shine, everyone wins, whether at home, on the playground, or in the game. Remember, teamwork isn't just what you do, it's who you become together. So grab your team, friends, family, classmates, and go do or make something awesome together. Because teamwork makes the dream work. And remember, turn that frown upside down.
Chill, Charlie, rolling waves, surfing on the grass. Football, footwork, nigga, know he's the best. Teachers, kids, kindness always on the test. Capture air, spreading love, that's